Yeah. Man's come out at night like vampire, don't. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Dash out. Kick out the blood clot. Subscribe. Hey, YouTube. Don't ramp with the thing. Wow, you there? We have fun with the paper. Going at the club choke paper. For sure. Man, such man. Wave the flag now, man. Hey, subscribe now. Come on my flag a wave. No. Shee. East Flatbush, you know. Officer. Big up the officer them, peace officer them, I do them thing, you know. Yeah, that's the thing there. Big up to the viewers and subscribers. I appreciate y'all, you know. So YouTube, I know. I'm about to post. Alright. You see, by the time when I get this vlog, them two vlog that go out, right? I talk about say, like let me see, like 3 a.m., right? At like 3 a.m. I do a flag on the highway, you see me? How some I do it? It's always dark outside. Yo, you ever feel like this, like you need more time to do stuff? Like, for one person, bro, it's too much things me have to do. Like, I don't be having enough time. I'll be like, boy, I need more time. Like, 24 hours ain't enough. Like, who made that up, bro? You ever wonder with that, like, why they cheat us with time, bro? Like, I don't want no 24 hour. Well, why we couldn't get like a 48 hour first? Like, that should be one day. You know how much stuff you could accomplish in 48 hours of sunshine? Alright. It'd be like 24 hours of sun. Alright, and then you'd have to do another 24 hours of darkness. However, man, however you want to match it down, alright? However you want to calculate it, smarty. This is what I'm gonna say, man. It sucks. Just like the traffic. I remember when I didn't even have a license, I couldn't wait for drive. I'm disgusted about this. You can't enjoy your vehicle, you can't drive like... all we do is burn gas out here. Shouts out to the people who be holding up the traffic with your pillow and your blanket at the stoplight. You know? Be amazing to see the things people be doing, bro. You know? It'd be amazing, man. For a minute, I think that was the Bentley GT. It's a Benz, dog. Whoa. Stop signs and stop sign. Is this a simulation, man? Was that a glitch? You didn't see the car? Remember, no, folks, the pedestrian has the rights, okay? I remember like I did the test yesterday. If I don't remember nothing else about the test, the pedestrian have all the rights, alright? Case closed. It's funny though, like when you're trying to cross the street, those drivers be just speeding down and you like, yo, you ain't remember the test, bro, you ain't sit the test. Because you know if you would have answered wrong about the pedestrians, you would have failed the test, right? So treat them people with respect. Because remember now, you fail them pedestrians questions, you ain't gonna have a license, pimpin'. But you forget everything. Oh, you in the Bentley now. If you get back to the early settings on the vlog thing still. As I say, YouTube, I need more time. Big man thing. You hear that? Like earlier I could have do that. You see me?